Welcome to part 6 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Sell. Sell. They plan to sell their old car next month. Choose. Choose. He must choose between two job offers. Wish. Wish. He made a wish on his birthday. Rest. Rest. You should rest after a long day of work. Ride. Ride. He likes to ride his bike in the park. Bend. Bend. She had to bend down to pick up the pen. Mend. Mend. He will mend the broken fence this weekend. Knock. Knock. Please knock on the door before entering. Float. Float. The leaf can float in the water. Cheer. Cheer. The crowd began to cheer loudly for the team. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.